What's going on, guys? It's Nando back with another video. Thanks for stopping by. Let's talk about the Note 10 real quick. I'm gonna make this video real fast, real simple, real easy, because all I simply want to know is, are you excited? Are you hype? Do you want the Note 10? Do you not want the Note 10? See, the problem right now that I'm facing with the Note 10 is it worth buying when you barely improve things compared to the Note 9? When you add functionality to the S Pen that to me are more like gimmicks, they showcase it on a tripod, they showcase you using it if you're recording video. Content creators would maybe like it, but you would have to have a tripod with you, some sort of monopod, something to keep your phone held up, while you then use the S Pen features to wave and Harry Potter your way around, Harry Potter your way around the phone's interface in order to shoot photos and record videos. That's cool. Useful? Average consumer? No, not really. I mean, I guess it's fun and cool if you have a big group of friends and you need to take a picture, but again, you got to hold the phone up. Okay, so there's S Pen and emojis, things of that nature, 3D scans and things of that nature. That's cool, that's fun. But is it worth $1,000? You know it's not. You didn't buy the phone for that. You bought the phone for the fact that it can take notes. You bought the phone for the fact that it has a big battery. You bought the phone because it has functionality, because you know and you're familiar with the S Pen and the things that the S Pen does, the annotating and the signing. You are a powerhouse user. You are someone who enjoys to use their phone, not just kind of casually and go about its interface. That's not for you. The Note 10 isn't for you. Maybe the Galaxy, maybe an iPhone is for you. You've got a big battery. Heck, you got two batteries, because Plus and a regular 10, one's bigger than the other, therefore one battery's bigger than the other. I mean, they're giving you the ability to supercharge like OnePlus and Huawei, but it's not in the box. At least I don't think so. Let me know in the comment section below if you know so. You have to actually go ahead and buy that 45-watt battery charger. How much is it? I'm sure third parties are going to have it. That's not cool, Samsung. Come on, man. Tout that feature, but make it an extra? Not cool. You've got cameras. You've got a depth sensor. Huawei's introduced a depth sensor already. That's on the 10 Plus, not the regular 10. So if you like a smaller phone, well, you are ish out of luck, because you have to get the Plus in order to have all the extra features. I don't know. I don't like that. You have to go ahead and buy the bigger phone. Well, the 10 and the Note series has always been about a bigger phone. If you're going to introduce a smaller phone, a smaller screen size, and then introduce a pen, maybe that's not going to leave you with the same kind of experience, the same kind of enjoyment, the same kind of, I don't know, what makes the 10 the 10, what makes the Galaxy Note series the Note. So I'm sitting here watching and thinking, I'm going to pre-order it. I'm going to buy it. I love this stuff. I love phones. I'm a phone enthusiast. I'm a geek. I love technology. I always want to try it. That doesn't mean I'll keep it. I'll go ahead and return it if need be, or sell it, but I'm definitely going to buy it. And the thing is this, if you're going to buy it, why? If you're not going to buy it, why? Let me know in the comment section below, because right now, Huawei, I know, is banned in the US, but we all know we can bring it in. It's GSM. If you're on AT&T or T-Mobile, you can own it, you can use it, you can have it. I think that's still the phone to get, personally. I've been rocking the S10e, and I like it, but I miss that big screen phone. I want it. I miss that big screen with that big battery. I need it. I want that phone really, really bad, because to me, it's what a powerhouse user uses and has. I love being able to quickly jot down some notes, quickly remind myself of something, quickly annotate something, quickly whip out a camera that's so good for content creation like this, but also for snapping pictures. It might not be Google Pixel-esque, but it's still going to be one of the top in the game. When you own a Note, you own a Note. People know you own a Note. It's a different experience. It's a different enjoyment. But it's not for everybody. So again, let me know in the comment section below if you're getting a Note, if you're skipping on a Note. What do you think about that Note 10 and 10 Plus? Hit that like button, please. Hit that bell button, please. Hit that subscribe button, please. It's free. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. It was Nando. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like always, stay geeky. Peace, salute, and adios.